Right. And what be your business, sir, smack dab in the middle of a bloody blizzard? Looking to help with the Janson spacecraft evacuation? Well, they need qualified pilots, but you gotta hightail it to the spaceport. Bit of a drive. And I'll tell you, driving conditions are a ripe old mess. Bleeding winters come every 15 sol and the whole planet goes wonky. So, head outside and grab one of the vehicles. They're all fair game. Be snowed in here soon anyway. Once you're saddled up, follow your vehicle's radar to the spaceport and stay straight on, Not much fuel in the vehicle, so don't go wandering off.